So here's what the concealer looks like. It is called Born This Way Ethereal Light. It's an illuminating smoothing concealer. Very different from the original Born This Way. The original one was Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, Super Coverage. I'm not sure what the coverage is, but on here it says it is infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid, 24-hour wear, waterproof, sweat and humidity resistant, non-creasing, delivers immediate and all-day moisture. It says, this buttery serum light concealer effortlessly glides on skin to camouflage and cover imperfections for 24 hours while improving the appearance of dark circles with a blend of plumping and hydrating hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, squalane. Waterproof formula diminishes signs of fatigue and imperfections while adding a natural luminosity for a look so naturally flawless. Okay, this is like music to my ears right now. This is what it looks like. Okay, it looks like this. Kind of looks like a lip gloss. Like that's what it's looking like. It's looking like a lip gloss, but pretty generic concealer packaging. I don't know what it is. I love this packaging. I love this. I wish they would have kept this one, but you know what? It'll do. So the price of this is 34 Canadian. It comes in 18 shades. It doesn't come in minis. The original one used to come in a mini size, and this original one was 39 Canadian. You'll notice the size difference. The original one was 13.5 ml. The new one is 5 ml. That is a huge difference. Oh my goodness. That is a huge difference. 13.5 ml and this is 5 ml. That is insane of a difference. 5 milliliters of product is tiny for $34. That's what's really throwing me off, because I have my MAC one here and my MAC one is 9 milliliters and my Makeup Forever one is also 9 milliliters. And this is 5 milliliters, which is crazy. Mind blown right now, but you know what? Let's try it. I have foundation on. You can see I have nothing under my eyes. I don't put foundation under my eyes. I know some people do, but I don't. I'm not wearing a color corrector, so we can try it out. Okay. This is the applicator. It's like a pointed doe foot applicator. So let's swatch. It seems very sheer. The color's nice. I feel like I picked a good color. This is what it looks like. It's a natural finish, hydrating, long wearing, waterproof hyaluronic acid, a buttery serum light buildable concealer. It says it's a buttery serum light buildable concealer that effortlessly glides on skin to camouflage imperfections. It's a medium coverage, natural finish. Okay. So it's saying it has a serum infused in it, so that's probably what's giving it a lot of that hydration, but it's saying it's a medium coverage. It's definitely not like this one. This was a full coverage. So let's try it out. Already, I don't like the applicator. I don't think it's picking up enough product. I feel like I have to really keep going in for more. I think it's because of like the way it's tapered. It's not picking up enough. So I don't like the applicator. It kind of reminds me of the applicator for the Dior concealer. I feel like it was similar, which I also didn't like. Like, I feel like I have to keep going in because it's not picking up enough product. You know what? Let me just add some to my chin and add some to my forehead. See, it's not picking up enough product. Like, look at how many times I have to go in to get product. I don't like that. I wish it was like the original one. Look at how big this applicator was. Like, this picked up so much. Okay. I don't know about this one. Okay, so it blends out really nice. It's actually very buttery. It's blending out really nice. And she's looking very dewy under the eyes. Like, it's not looking dry at all. Very glowy under my eye, actually. I definitely see how it's infused by serum because it literally looks like I'm wearing an eye serum under my eye. Okay. Let's add a little bit more because it's a buildable coverage. The coverage is actually not bad though. Like, you can already see it's covered quite a lot, but I love a full coverage. You already know I'm a full coverage queen. So you can see under my eyes, it actually looks very smooth. It looks super hydrated, and you can see it does have like a nice glow. I can definitely see that there is like a serum aspect to it. I literally feel like I'm wearing like a serum under my eye. Like that's what it's looking like. I love the glow. Okay, we're on to a good start. So now let me set it and we're gonna wear it for a bit. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder, the one I always use for under my eyes. So this eye is now set with the powder. You can see the difference between both. Obviously, because I used a powder, it does like mattify it down a little bit, but it's looking good. I love the way it's setting. So let me go ahead and set the other eye. I'm gonna finish my makeup off camera. I'm gonna give it a little bit, come back and see if it creases. We're gonna give it a little bit of time to kind of, you know, wear, and then we're gonna talk about it. So my makeup is done. I've been wearing it for a while now, and I must say, I'm pretty surprised. I'm pretty surprised at this concealer. I thought it was about to be very like lightweight. It wasn't gonna like, no, it is lightweight, but I thought it was gonna be light coverage. I thought it wasn't gonna cover much, but it actually gave me like pretty full coverage. Not as full coverage as my MAC Pro Longwear. Honey, my MAC Pro Longwear is still my top concealer. Nothing can beat this. This is my baby. It is super full coverage. I love this, but I don't wear this on the daily. I wear this only when like I'm going out, when I'm going to the club, when I'm going to work. That's when I wear this. But this right here, I feel like would be perfect for like an everyday kind of use because it's super lightweight, very, very light. It's a medium buildable. So, you know, it's not too thick, not too cakey. But I like that it's super radiant. Like it's super hydrating. You can feel the hydration. You can kind of see under my eyes, it did crease a little bit, but I honestly feel like every concealer out there creases because it's your under eye area. Things are bound to crease under there, but some concealers crease more than others. This one isn't too bad, so I actually do like this. I definitely see that it's smoothing, illuminating. I think it's pretty good. The downfall of this though, I will say my number one downfall is the applicator. The applicator really bothers me. I don't like that not a lot of product comes out. I was like, you know, you saw me going in. I literally went in like 10 times per eye, and something like that would actually stop me from using the product because when I'm doing my makeup, I don't have time. Like I don't have time to be going in like 10 times per eye. Like my makeup has to be done quick. So that's my biggest downfall. I feel like that's what's gonna like steer me away from wearing it. Make it make sense. Why is it 5 milliliters? It's just so tiny. So that's another thing I don't really like, is that you have a little bit of product. I wish they would have kept it like this. This one had so much product, it lasted forever. And even the applicator on the original Born This Way, like the applicator, the formula, super full coverage. Like this one was one of my top favorite concealers. I don't know if it's being discontinued. I've been noticing that in stores, like a lot of the shades are selling out and they're not bringing stock back. Same with online, they're all selling out. They're not restocking shades. I've even noticed some shades are now no longer on Sephora's website. So I don't know if they're discontinuing it. I have no idea, but I thought that this was going to be like a reformulated version of this, but they're very different, very, very different. This one, a lot more product, super full coverage, like it hides everything. This one right here is more of like a natural finish, light to medium coverage, buildable kind of idea, very illuminating. This one wasn't illuminating. This one was just like a true matte full coverage. So they're very different, like very, very different. So if you are wanting to try this out, try it out. I feel like you'll like it, but it's not gonna be like this one. So don't go in there thinking they're gonna be the same because, honey, they're very different. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. Let me know what products you want me to review next. As you can see, I have been on a roll. I have been testing out every new product that launches. Let me know what you want me to try out next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.